Welcome. Today we are going to be working on the tangent line problem. So in other words, we're going to be given a function and we're going to be asked to find the tangent line at a certain point. So remember, derivative, the meaning of derivative that we learned is the slope of a tangent line. So we're going to take a very basic, we'll do a quadratic function. We'll say y equals 2x squared plus 4. We'll quickly take the derivative using the limit definition. That's supposed to be an h there. Limit as h approaches 0. And f of x plus h, that's 2 times x plus h squared plus 4 minus f of x. Don't forget your parentheses there to distribute through multiple terms. Limit as h approaches 0. I'm going to do this all in one step. That's 2x squared. That's 4xh and 2h squared. The plus 4 and the minus 4, notice these guys cross out. Okay, so I have minus 2x squared all over h. And again, notice we have 2x squared minus 2x squared. They cross out. I can factor in h out of the numerator. So I get h times 4x plus 2h over h. Now I can cancel my numerator h with my denominator h, so I have no issue anymore as far as taking a limit. I can plug 0 in for h and I get my derivative of 4x. So this is the slope of the tangent line. At any point, okay, every point on this curve has a slope of 4 times the x value, has a tangent line with a slope of 4 times the x value. So the question is, find the equation of the tangent line to y, right, y is our function, at x equals 3. All right, well, we know to find the equation of any line, we need to have slope and a point, or slope and an intercept, or 2 points. Right, those are our options. Well, I have slope. Okay, my slope is equal to 4 times 3, which is 12. Okay, the fact that I have a tangent line also means I have a point. Right, my equation, remember my original equation up here is 2x squared plus 4. Now it told me to find the slope, the equation of the tangent line when x equals 3. Well, when x equals 3, y equals 9, 18, 22. So I have slope, and I also have the point 3, 22. So let's move down here a little bit. So in order to find the equation, I can use my mx plus b if you'd like, or you can just go into point slope formula. I prefer point slope. So y minus 22 equals m times x minus 3. So y equals 12 times x minus 3 plus 22, or 12x minus 14. Right, we have minus 36 plus 22 is minus 14. And that is the equation of my tangent line right there. All right, now let me show you something else here with this now. We'll get a quick visual of this. So remember our equation was 2x squared plus 4, and our tangent line is 12x plus 14. So I'm going to go in here. I'm going to type in 2x squared plus 4. And I'm also going to type in 12x plus 14. Now my window. Okay, I know this is when x equals 3, and we found our y value, if I remember correctly, to be 22. So my window needs to include the point 322. So negative 10, 10 is fine, but I'm going to go 0, and I'm going to go to 6. That puts 3 right smack in the middle. Now I'm also going to do the same thing here. I'm going to go from 0 up to 44. That puts 22 right smack in the middle. So my tangent line, if I did this correctly, when I see the curve and I see the tangent line, that point of tangency, the two spots, the point where those two graphs meet, will be right smack in the middle. I'm going to leave my scale at 5. That's not a bad scale. We'll count by 5s going up to 44. We'll hit graph. Here comes the curve. There's 2x squared plus 4. And my tangent line. Whoops. Not even close. Alright, so I have to go back and did I type something wrong? 12x minus 14. Well, that's a little embarrassing. Let's go back to the y equals 12x minus 14. See, we knew what we were expecting to see. So we delete that. I could have just put a minus over top of it. 12x minus 14. Now we graph it. And voila. There it is. Okay, our tangent line right smack in the middle as we expected. We'll do more examples of this in the future. That is the tangent line problem. Hope you enjoyed.